Hello friends, first of all, your warm welcome on the channel UZ and PG classes channel. This channel is based on UZ or undergraduate student and also for defense aspirants. Okay, if you are preparing for defense exams which is held in India, you're most welcome in this channel. And in this video we are going to deliver or we are going to discuss about 50 most important miscellaneous question. It is also based on GK type, okay, or this will be only in English, okay, and approx 50 to 60 60 questions. And now let's begin with this question, okay. So first of all, in this image, what you're watching here, in this image, these two brother and sister, okay, the brothers and sister goal, what is the pride feeling of his mother, father, and colleagues and relationship, really very proudable when people says that both of the brother and sister serving the armed forces, okay. So now begin with the topic today. This is one liner 60 most important question. So let's begin with the question. Which is the pass in Jammu and Kashmir? So Karakoram and Pir Panjal and Banihal Pass. Okay, Karakoram, Pir Panjal and Banihal Pass. This is important question. Okay, so and best for all exam which is held by Indian government. Okay, so now start next question. Which is the pass between Srinagar and Leh? Jojila and Burzil Pass. Which is the pass between Himachal and Tibet? Sipkila and Baralacha. Okay, Baralacha या ला, ठीक है. Next question. Which is the pass between Bengal and Tibet? That is Zaliba Pass. Next question. Which is the pass in Uttarakhand? Nitila and Lepulekhla. Which is the pass in Arunachal Pradesh? Bomdilla Pass. Okay, we are saying it is first of all, here is, you should repeat with me, okay, you should repeat with me, right, because you are seeing the question what I am going to read next, okay. So repeat with me, it is really very important. Now next question. Which is the nearest star to sun? That is Proxima Centauri. Next, which is the nearest galaxy? Andromeda. Which is the nearest galaxy? Andromeda. Which is the ninth planet in our solar system? Kalra. Which is the ninth planet in our solar system? Kalra. Which is the brightest and hottest planet in our solar system? Venus. Which planet has, sorry, this for interruption, here is not plant, it is planet, planet, okay. So which planet has maximum rings? That is Uranus, okay, it has 7 rings. Next question. What are Usra Major and Ursa Minor called in India? That is Saptarishi and Dhruv. What is this? Saptarishi and Dhruv. Ursa Major and Ursa Minor called in India Saptarishi and Dhruv. Next question, question number 13. How much is 1 degree latitude in kilometer? 1 degree latitude in kilometer is 111 kilometers. Next, how much is 1 degree longitude in minutes? How much is 1 degree longitude in minutes? That is 4 minutes. Next question. How many time zone on the earth? How many time zones on the earth? That is 24 time zones on the earth. Next, how many time zones on the earth? 24. Next question. What are the hills in Rajasthan called? It is Aravalli Hills, yeah, Aravalli Range, okay. What are the hills in Rajasthan called? It is Aravalli Range. Next question. What are the hills in Maharashtra called? महाराष्ट्र की hills को क्या कहते हैं? That is Sahyadri Hills या Western Ghats. Next question. Which is the highest mountain in Western Ghat? That is Anaimade. Okay, this is also for highest mountain in the southern India. Okay, it is also Anaimade. Okay. Next question यहाँ पर. Which is the highest mountain in Western Ghat? Anaimade. Next, which is the second highest mountain in Eastern Ghat? Mahendragiri. Eastern Ghat, Mahendragiri. Next, which is the highest mountain in southern India? That is Anaimade or Sahyadri Range. Okay. Next question. Which is the highest mountain of India? It is K2, means Godwin Austen. Okay, K2 stand for Godwin Austen. Next, what are Himalayan range in India called? Shivalik Hills. Which is the highest hill in Siachen? That is Saltoro Kangri. That is Saltoro Kangri. Next है, which is the highest hill in Western Himalayas? This is Nanga Parvat या Dyamir. Okay. Next question है यहाँ पर, which hill is situated between Sikkim and Nepal? That is कंचनजंगा. सिक्किम एंड नेपाल के बीच में कंचनजंगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पर, विच हिल इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द रूफ ऑफ द वर्ल्ड? दैट इज पामीर नॉट. नॉट इज स्टैंड फॉर पठार. ओके, पामीर का पठार, दुनिया का छत कहा जाता है इसे. नेक्स्ट है यहाँ पर, विच इज द डीपेस्ट ट्रेंच इन द वर्ल्ड? दैट इज डीपेस्ट ट्रेंच इन द वर्ल्ड. दैट इज मरियाना ट्रेंच विच इज इन जापान. Mariana Trench is in Japan. Okay, deepest trench. Okay, and in this trench, Mariana Trench, it has a part. Okay, Mariana Trench is structured just like this thing. Okay, and this type of a structure of Mariana Trench. Okay, so generally this is deepest part, but in this image, okay, in this image, this is highly deepest. Okay, this is highly deep, so this part is also known as Challenger Deep. Which deep? Challenger Deep. So in this question there are two question. Okay, which one? First thing, so which is the deepest trench in the world? That is Mariana Trench, which is in Japan. And the Mariana Trench, Mariana Trench में ही Challenger Deep is the deepest. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Next question, when is the perihelion observed? That is 3 January. Perihelion observed on 3 January. Next यहाँ पर, when is aphelion, ठीक है, aphelion observed? That is 4th July. 4th July aphelion and 3rd January perihelion. 3rd January perihelion and 4th July aphelion. Next है, when is summer solstice observed? Summer solstice observed. क्या है इसमें? 21st June शॉर्टेस्ट नाइट. 21st June इट इज ऑल्सो शॉर्टेस्ट नाइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पर, व्हेन इज अपेहेलियन ऑब्जर्व? आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दिस वन. अपेहेलियन ऑब्जर्व एट 4 जुलाई. ओके, और पेरीहेलियन 3 जनवरी. ओके, नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर, समर, व्हेन इन समर सॉल्स्टिक ऑब्जर्व? दैट इज 21st June शॉर्टेस्ट नाइट. ओके, इट हैज ऑल्सो शॉर्टेस्ट नाइट. नेक्स्ट, when is winter solstice observed? 2nd of December, that is longest night. Okay, longest night 2nd December and 21st June shortest night. Next यहाँ पर, when is spring equinox observed? Spring equinox observed at 21st March. Next question है यहाँ पर, when is autumnal equinox observed? 23rd of September. Next question यहाँ पर, which is the ghat between Mumbai and Pune? Very important thing, which is the ghat between Mumbai and Pune? That is Bor Ghat. Which ghat? Bor Ghat. Next ghat है यहाँ पर, which is the ghat between Mumbai and Nasik? That is Tal Ghat. Which is the ghat between Mumbai and Nasik? When we talking about Mumbai and Nasik, that is Tal Ghat, and Mumbai and Pune, that is Bor Ghat. Next question, which is the ghat between Kerala and Coimbatore? Kerala and Coimbatore, Pal Ghat. Okay, here is important thing, guys, understand carefully. One is Tal Ghat. Which ghat? Tal Ghat. Tal, Tal Ghat. Okay, from Nasik to Mumbai or Mumbai to Nasik. Okay, next one is Kerala to Coimbatore, Pal Ghat. Which ghat? Pal Ghat. Okay, so this is also confusion like, so repeat it also one more time, repeat it. Which ghat is between Mumbai and Nasik? Which ghat is between Mumbai and Nasik? That is Tal Ghat. And which ghat is between Kerala and Coimbatore? That is Pal Ghat. Okay, and the last one is Mumbai and Pune, it is Bor Ghat. Okay, important this. Next question, at what degree of Tropic of Cancer? At what degree is Tropic of Cancer? That is 25 degree north, 23.5 degree north. Okay, at what degrees is Tropic of Cancer? That is 23.5 degree north. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर एट व्हाट डिग्री इज द इक्वेटर, इट इज 0 डिग्री. ओके, एट व्हाट डिग्री इज द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न, दैट इज 23.5 डिग्री साउथ. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर विच जोन इज फाउंड बिटवीन 23.5 डिग्री नॉर्थ and 23.5 degree south. Here is N stand for north and S stand for south. Okay, so this is torrid zone. Which zone? Torrid zone. Next यहाँ पर which latitudinal line passes through 8 state of India, that is Tropic of Cancer, it is in Hindi Kark Rekha, which is Kark Rekha. Okay, 8 state of India. Next यहाँ पर the longitudinal time zone passed through India is 82.5 degree. What is 82.5 degree? Next question, the longitudinal time zone in India passes through which place? Okay, that is Muzaffarpur. Okay, which Muzaffarpur? It is in Uttar Pradesh. Next question is here, which is the continent through Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and equator passes through? Okay, listen, very important. Which is the continent? Okay, it is talking about continent, means Mahadesh, right? Which is the continent? Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and equator passes through both three. Okay, all three line, that is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and equator passes through which continent? That is Africa. Next यहाँ पर which layer of the earth reflects radio signal? Which layer of the earth reflects radio signals? That is ionosphere. Next question यहाँ पर which is the farthest layer? That is exosphere, it is in Hindi Bahirmandal. Next यहाँ पर which layer protects us from meteor and debris by burning them? Okay, that is thermosphere. हाँ, thermosphere is the layer which protect us from meteors and debris by burning them. Okay, next question, which rock is found in earth mantle? That is igneous rock. earth mantle पे कौन सा rock पाया जाता है? तो igneous rock. Next है which rock is found in hilly areas? That is metamorphic rock. Listen, earth mantle, okay, that is igneous rock, and hilly areas, that is metamorphic rocks. Next question is which rock is found in river beds? Sedimentary rocks. Okay, sedimentary rocks. Next question, which crops are grown between July and October? That is kharif fasal. हाँ, this is very important thing. Kharif fasal and rabi fasal mostly asked in exam. Okay, so a lot of question can refer from here. Okay, so July and October from kharif fasal and October and March rabi fasal. Okay, next thing here, which stretch is found between India and Sri Lanka? Which stretch is found between India and Sri Lanka? Park Strait. Okay, which one? Park Strait. Next है यहाँ पर which strait is between South and Little Andaman? That is Dakkan Passage. Which one? Dakkan Passage. South and Little Andaman में Dakkan Passage है. Next question, which strait is between Little Andaman and Nicobar? Little Andaman and Nicobar ये तो 10 डिग्री चैनल है. ओके, नेक्स्ट है यहाँ पर मानसून वाइंड फ्रॉम सी टू लैंड फ्लॉज इन which season? Monsoon one from sea to land flows in which season? That is summer season. Okay, sea to land, what is sea to land, in which season? Summer season. Next question है यहाँ पर monsoon winds from land to sea flows in which season? That is winter season. Next question यहाँ पर what causes day and night? That is rotation. Okay, rotation causes day and night. Okay, so guys, I have already told you that we will discuss in this video approx 50 to 60 question. So I have discussed in at 58 question. How much question? 58. This is really very important, most important. Okay, so this is part 1 and next we will discuss in part 2. Okay, so keep watching this channel and share with your friends. Thank you and we will meet you in next video. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद.